Volkswagen has globally 7 different regions, and all these regions, they have their own portfolio and their own models.
Our design DNA with our design values, stable, likable and secret sauce, need to be translated into our region specifically. We've shown this in our show car in Beijing in 2024, where we've really tried to implement our design values into one model that speaks for the whole region, China. It definitely embodied stable in a very vigorous way, very sporty, dynamic character of an SUV with clear stance features, but very clean design language. Also, we tried to make it as distinguished as possible by a new interpretation of the human face expression, to be a bit more on the tech side, but still have a human eye and be friendly and approachable. And the secret sauce translates into inspiring, to make sure that we meet all customer needs with our tech features that we introduced in our model.
The ID UNYX show car is very special because on one hand it really bases on the global Volkswagen design strategy, but it has its own distinctive character.
Before the exterior, interior and color and trim designer started with the concept, we were starting the process by the discussion of what is important for the car, what is his character.
We come up with different perspectives, different ideas, but the key moment to me is when you put the whole team together and then you filter and you connecting the ideas in order to fit with the strategy that it was defined for this show car and close a cohesive product.
Our goal was quite clear. We wanted to offer the Chinese customers an unconventional, youthful, very dynamic interior. This unconventional, modern interior architecture bundled with comfortable sitting scenario, sophisticated color and trim concepts, and ambient light that supports all this design theme, I think wraps it up in a very holistic interior that tailors to the DNA of the ID UNYX show car.
I think the most striking element of the car are the really wedged light elements in the front and the rear, which can create something like a fireworks, because there are hundreds of LEDs. You can really switch on and off separately, and this is really an amazing feature. We spend so much time, effort and love into the details, and there I come back to Volkswagen, because it's typical for Volkswagen that each little detail is really nicely done. It's avant-garde, it's very expressive, maybe a little bit playful, but still a Volkswagen.
This time we are going to the Shanghai Auto Show, and we show for the 3 Chinese regions specific design directions that have certain differentiation from each other, but they belong all to the same family.